There. A dog. In. The garden. There is a dog in the garden. There is a dog in the garden. From. Which. Country. The professor. From which country is the professor? From which country is the professor?
The weather will be hot tomorrow. The weather will be hot tomorrow. The weather will be hot tomorrow. He has a friend in Rabat. He has a friend in Rabat. He has a friend in Rabat. The director rode in private a car. The director rode in a private car. The director rode in a private car. Michael won't study Arabic. Michael won't study Arabic. Michael won't study Arabic. I learn Arabic because it beautiful a language. I learn Arabic because it is a beautiful language. I learn Arabic because it is a beautiful language. Why? Fatima late for class. Why is Fatima late for class? Why is Fatima late for class? I clean my room every week. I clean my room every week. I clean my room every week. Could you spell your name, please? Could you spell your name, please? Could you spell your name, please? The women work at the university. The women work at the university. The women work at the university. We walked. Yesterday. To. The cafe. We walked yesterday to the cafe. We walked yesterday to the cafe. I make coffee in the morning. I make coffee in the morning. I make coffee in the morning. Read all the questions well. Read all the questions well. Read all the questions well. Don't. I know. How to. Thank you. I don't know how to thank you. I don't know how to thank you. Put your phones in your bags. Put your phones in your bags. Put your phones in your bags. The letter was written by the president. The letter was written by the president. The letter was written by the president. The exam covered the whole courses. The exam covered the whole courses. The exam covered the whole courses. The employees will hold the meeting. The employees will hold the meeting. The employees will hold the meeting. Foreign currency. Foreign currency. Accounting department. Accounting department. Programmer. Programmer. Nevertheless. Nevertheless. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal.